In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for task management. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The very first step is to create a new board. To do this, look for the plus icon, which is conveniently located on the left panel next to your workspace title. Once you've found that icon, go ahead and click it. A menu will pop up, and from this menu, select Board. This action will allow you to set up a new framework for managing your tasks effectively. Now let's configure your board details. Start by naming your board. It's essential to enter a clear and descriptive title to ensure it reflects its purpose. You might choose something simple like Task Board, which makes it immediately recognizable. Next, you'll need to select your item type. A prompt will appear asking what you wish to manage on the board. Choose Tasks for optimal organization. Once you've done that, click the Create Board button to generate your workspace. Congratulations, you've just set up the foundation for your task management system. Next, we will organize with groups. Your new board will automatically come with some default groups. You can personalize these groups by renaming them. For instance, consider naming them This Week, Next Week, and Done. This categorization helps you monitor your tasks based on timing or project phases, making your workflow smoother. Now let's customize the columns for even greater functionality. To do this, click the plus icon at the end of your columns. Start by adding a status column. You can rename it to Priority to categorize your tasks by their importance. For instance, you can label your tasks as high, medium, or low priority depending on their urgency. Next, consider adding a Files column. This feature allows you to upload and keep relevant documents directly attached to each task. Having everything in one place ensures easy access and better organization, which is crucial for effective task management. Additionally, you might want to add text columns. These can act as a notes section where you can jot down specific details or reminders relevant to individual tasks. This flexibility ensures that no important information is overlooked. As you start using your board, you may notice some default columns that aren't necessary for your workflow, such as the People column. If you find you don't need something, don't hesitate to delete it. Cleaning up your interface helps maintain an uncluttered view, making it easier to focus. Finally, it's time to manage your tasks. Start typing your items into the rows and take advantage of the features you've set up. Assign dates for completion, set priorities, and update task statuses as you progress through your work. This continuous updating is key to staying on top of your tasks and ensuring you meet your deadlines. That wraps up our overview on using Monday.com for task management. By following these steps, you'll create a well-organized, customizable board that will help streamline your work process. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on the setup. Happy task management!